Welcome to this channel on magnetic energy technology, applications, and principles. This video is about magnetic energy and EMFs. And as you all know, we are living in a sea of EMF smog right now that could get significantly worse with 5G technology. This is a problem because EMFs cause a disruption in the etheric energy exchange with all biological life, including humans. And so in humans, when you're looking at like ionic voltage gate disruption, or you're looking at the cellular polarities being thrown off, that can lead to a ton of physiological problems. So it's very important for humanity to move into a neutral magnetic energy technology that actually enhances and helps life. Now, in the future, if there is a need for EMF type of technology, it will involve the conductor resonating properly. That's one of the problems right now is you have a reaction event or reaction point where the signal is generated and you have a given conductor, and that is basically how the signal from a magnetic energy point of view gets its signature, its subatomic signature, its strength, its form, and everything. But when that conductor is not properly resonated, we run into all kinds of problems with the electrons creating a void, creating a disruption in the ether, looking to rebalance a field. So in the future, if this technology is even needed, I'm not sure why it would be, but it will involve resonating the conductor properly so that you have a free exchange, a free-flowing exchange of electrons from a higher dimensional template. With that said, why on earth would you have electrically based technology when you can have things like a magnetic cell phone in the future that runs on etheric energy and has essentially universal communication capability, unlimited storage because you can store interdimensionally with a magnetic cell phone, and not only that, but the bandwidth is so high. Think about how fast etheric energy can exchange. The problem with that technology is really having the circuitry and the hardware, the crystals, what you need to harness and limit the flow, because the flow is going to be so fast. You could have full 3D holographic conferencing and calls. You could have unbelievably lifelike imaging coming out of the cell phones, but it goes beyond that. Those devices will become teleportation devices because the exchange of information and energy is so high. But the biggest advantage of a magnetic cell phone is there's absolutely no harmful radiation produced. And that's really important, that the field of a magnetic cell phone will actually nurture and enhance life. So when you think about electrical fields and EMFs, from a magnetic energy perspective, what they do is they lower the magnetic vibratory rate of everything around them, all biological life around them. So that's really important, and I don't want to promote any conspiracies, but what those fields essentially do is they stunt our spiritual growth, they stunt our evolutionary progress, they stunt our unlocking of dormant DNA, they stunt a lot of our abilities that we naturally have that will become enhanced. If there is a series of enlightenment events and magnetic technology to support people and to start raising consciousness and raising vibratory rates for people, you will see the paranormal become the normal. You will experience events that you normally would never see on our planet today or very rarely see. And there will be groups of people that immediately develop the ability to communicate with each other telepathically and to garner knowledge telepathically. So they may not even need the internet, they may not even need devices. For those people that still want that technology for a variety of reasons, it will be available, but it will be life nurturing and it will be unbelievable. And I invite you to imagine a world that is free of EMFs, that is free of electromagnetic smog, that embraces magnetic energy technology and embraces technology that is life promoting, that is life saving. And with that, we will call it